There's very little said in the Constitution other than naturalization. It doesn't mention immigration. It just talks about naturalization. And it's within Article 1, which means it falls within the powers of the Congress. The way that I would read this is that the state's authority with respect to decisions relating to immigration are virtually non-existent. If they exist, they're very, very limited. And obviously, states have an obligation to rely upon their police power to protect citizens and property within their jurisdiction. But with respect to development of immigration policy, that is really something that's left to the federal government, primarily to the Congress. It is an obligation primarily of the federal government to deal with immigration challenges because we need to be consistent in terms of immigration policy. I think this is something that's very, very important because it affects our commerce, it affects our national security, it affects the very essence of who we are as a country. You know, we are a nation of laws, and I fully appreciate that and support that. But we're also a nation of immigrants, and the immigration population, I think they enrich our society. We ought to encourage it, but we ought to encourage lawful immigration. And I think most people would say, yes, I believe in immigration. It's got to be lawful. In a post 9/11 country, in a post 9/11 world, we, like every other nation, we have to know who is in this country and why. The fact that there are people in this country in an unlawful status is really not a good place to be, quite frankly. It's a dangerous world out there. It's made even more dangerous by the fact that we, in my opinion, have not done a very good job in protecting and policing our borders.